back to another video. I am Hazel, and today we are going to be planting strawberries. And these kinds are Albion. So I'm going to be teaching you how to plant them, and let's get started. So these are little strawberry plants. Then you gotta dig deep, because they're like deeper than the sunflowers that we did. Then you gotta kind of pat it down. Then don't get the leaves covered up. No, you don't. You want to get them just like this. You can plant these anywhere you want. And we have these flowers behind here in the background. They're very pretty.
Is that a drip system I see?
Yes, this is a drip system, so we can water them without just watering them with a hose.
Right, because if you get water on the strawberries, they rot, huh? Yeah, not the plants, but the actual berries. So it's best to use a drip system, folks. And what Hazel's done is she has incorporated some cedar mulch in with her potting soil in this bed. And she's mixed it all in because strawberries really don't like compost. They don't like a whole lot of fertilizer. So this will help hold the weeds down and hold the moisture in. Hazel, could you plant another strawberry and show people?
Yes. So we gotta dig down deep. I think that's deep enough because it's pretty deep. And I'm going to take a strawberry over here. Kind of hard to reach, but it's okay. And I'm gonna pat this down. Then I'm gonna cover it. And that's how you plant a strawberry. That's all from Spyglass Gardens. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.